Yo, out here running 40 degrees. Do you think I want to be doing this? Fuck no. I hate running, man. But do I want to be broke? Hell no. So why the fuck am I doing broke shit? Right? I gotta punish myself. And when I say that, we're traders, right? So our profession comes from decision making. And if your mind isn't right, then you'll be doing bullshit. So it's just better to beat off your body, to just not make it again, right? And have a clearer mind just after it. This is gonna be a bit of a raw one. And you can see I'm fucking tired. My legs are hurting. And I'm only 2 kilometers into this bitch. And yeah, I'm weak. I'm a bitch, man. I'm a bitch. But yo, I say this, and I'm only doing this because of a trading loss. But it's not just a trading loss. I'm always telling you, losses are normal. But this isn't a fucking normal loss. This isn't something that's factored in the plan. This is a FOMO one. This is a fucking brokey shit that's not even supposed to be taken, right? And like the way I took it, the zone was perfect. Zone was clear, don't get me wrong. I'm still not that brokey, right? And damn, you're shaking a lot, man. But yeah, I'm on a hill. You guys seen the path. But the way I took this, man, it wasn't even on the correct entry, right? Because I was targeting something and I would have a big stop loss in comparison to the target. And so I lowered the time frame to search for a barrier entry on M1. The thing is, it wasn't even M1 structure. It was a fucking 5-second structure or something I took just on the wick of the candles of M1. And then once I'm in the trade, I remind myself, what the fuck do I do in these situations? I fucking wait for another sweep lower because I was trying to buy, and then I actually enter because I got some real structure. So M5 or M1, but decent. Not this aggressive bullshit that's not even coupled to the plan. If I would have missed it, I would have missed it, you know? But I guess I was eager to trade. I was eager for the FOMO, right? Because if this bitch goes up from here, I'm not gonna be able to trade it, and I know that liquidity will be targeted. So what happened next is that the price flipped lower. It got me a stop loss, of course, and then it came the actual good position. Then I placed myself, and unfortunately, that same best position ran like a motherfucker until 1.5R, and then decided to go to my break even and stop me out. Then my hand is hurting. I'm sorry, guys. But look, then I got stopped out, and just now the trade hits TP. The trade hits TP, but I'm no longer in it. The vision is good, right? But I don't even know my vision is good. Fuck, man. And so it has been kind of like that, and the market conditions are super shit. But meanwhile, I'm losing as well. So, I mean, the market can be shit, but what's your excuse, right? No one's pointing a gun into your head, telling you to lose, telling you to trade. I mean, so if you lose, it's by your own decision. And so here I am, punishing myself. And I gotta be quick, because I also got a one-to-one call with a student soon. Right now I'm in another position, and I don't advise that, right? If you know you made a mistake, just quit the charts. But the thing is, I know I made a mistake, and I have enough experience and enough control over myself to zoom out of the situation. I know that regardless of this, there's still a good trade. And I'm gonna quickly, can I check it whilst this is recording? Nah, I can't check it whilst this is recording, so I'm just gonna leave it, you know, and do whatever, because that was year longs. That could have got us a win, but it wasn't break even because it came to our break even. stop loss. And now we're taking the shorts because our strategy allows to do that, allows us to do a ping pong, right? So the buys, we're risking internal position in order to look for the major liquidity above, some goddamn looking nice equal highs, you know, a bunch of liquidity up there. And so our risky trade would have played out. Right now the question is if the safe trade will play out as well. And that, I don't even know at the moment, right? But remember to punish yourself, man. And whatever you're going through, remember to beat up your body, right? Go do some boxing and shit. Because once you do this, and you're kind of on the normal state, comfortable, right? You kind of be grateful for it. Because right now you're thinking your life is bad, but if you were to lose your legs right now, all you're thinking about is being able to walk again. And you don't care about all this stuff that you're currently going through. So yeah, man, keep pushing forward, but punish yourself for the mistakes, because you can't just be making mistakes and then saying, alright, it is what it is, just go back at it again, and you keep repeating the same mistakes like a dumbass motherfucker. And I know that from first-hand experience. Meanwhile, there's motherfuckers out there, 16-year-olds living your dream life. And it isn't envy, but it's the fact that me and you know we can do better, right? So it isn't on them, props to them to reach that level. And right now I gotta climb the hill, which is the hardest part. And props to them to putting that amount of work and reaching that level. I only feel guilt for not being right beside them. So yeah, right now I'm gonna cut this out. I'm gonna end my fucking run and push through it. Because yeah, I gotta climb. And this whilst it's fucking 40 degrees, man. Remember, never be comfortable, man. Guys, short bullshit video, but I hope it helps you. And I hope it's not that hard to watch because of all the camera movement. I'm sorry I don't have a stabilizer or bullshit like that. We're doing this shit raw. Alright boys, some David Goggins type shit.